In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. If you want a clean, ready-to-use weekly schedule that updates automatically, this walkthrough will take you from the Google homepage to a polished template in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed into your account so your work saves automatically. At the top right of the page, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home screen where all your spreadsheets live. Here, you can open an existing spreadsheet if you plan to keep your schedule in a file you already use. If you don't have one or you'd prefer a fresh start, stay on the home screen so we can use a template that's already set up for scheduling. At the top of the page, click Template Gallery to expand the full list of options. If you don't see it right away, scroll up to the top and it should appear near the right side. Under the Personal section, click the Schedule template. This instantly creates a new spreadsheet pre-filled with a weekly layout, headers, and a date control so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Give it a quick name at the top left so you can find it later. Near the top of the sheet, look for the Date field. This is the control center for the week you're viewing. Click the date to open the calendar picker and choose the start date you want for your schedule. As soon as you change this date, you'll see the days and related values in the template update automatically. The template uses built-in formulas to shift the week for you, so you don't need to rewrite any dates or headings. Just set the date and the schedule follows. If you want to jump straight to the current day, open the date picker and click Today. That's a quick shortcut to anchor the schedule to the present without manually browsing the calendar. It's especially handy if you're updating your plan at the start of a work week. From here, simply type your tasks, classes, or shifts into the appropriate time slots and days. If you make a mistake, use Undo to revert, and remember your changes save automatically. That's it, your schedule is ready, and the date-driven layout will keep everything aligned as weeks change.